Hi, it's Bo with Contractors Wardrobe, and here are 5 tips to choosing the best closet door for you. First up, know your width and your height of your closet opening, also known as the finished opening size or FOS. You could do this by using a tape measure. Second, do you need to create more opening space? Consider 3 panels with triple track and channel or even a mirrored bifold. These styles create more opening space to access your closet. Third, what's your style? Modern? Contemporary? Industrial? Traditional? We have closet doors that fit your style. Fourth, a finish that'll complement your room's decor. For example, bright clear is a good option if you want to bring out your room's natural light, or something darker, like bronze to enhance a room's dramatic features. Fifth, do you want doors with a mirror? Mirror closet doors make a room feel larger by reflecting natural light off their panels. Make sure to visit cwdoors.com or contact our customer service team, which will be happy to assist you. Your style, our quality.